Good morning.
Hello?
I love you.
Hello?
What do you want more of?
Hello?
More Layla? You want Layla?
Hello?
More?
Hello?
More what, Angel? More milk? Hey, Pumpkin. I love you.
Go, go.
You want to go somewhere?
Go.
That's right. Can you put your milk where it goes? Big girl! Yay, Kinsley! Can you say hooray, Kinsley? You all done?